not surprised that some people don't know how to sign in, even after all this time. 3 years of pandemic, and someone still signs in as Zoom user. Unbelievable. And so today, we'll have the summary of the summary. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to be not in my comfort zone because I am sharing a summary room. I'm sorry, not a summary room, a seminar room with I can't use my lecture room because there's a big meeting in my lecture room. So I'm going to be not in my comfort zone. I'm in black and my background is white. I don't like that. I don't like that. Now, I really have complex feelings. I've read half of your third summaries, and I'm kind of half of you are doing okay, more than okay. Already this time, there are 200% more A's. But I feel the conflict is now half the students, half of your summaries don't deserve a good grade. They don't deserve a C. They should be D's. Dun, 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 dun. I don't believe I have to do this, but let me share my screen. Now, search. Did any of you, how many of you actually did a search, an internet search, and looked at the definition of a summary? Merriam-Webster, the American Dictionary, comprehensive, especially covering the main points succinctly, done without delay or formality, quickly executed a summary. Summary proceeding, summary trial, blah, 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 blah. Now, what is a summary? A summary is a condensed version of an original text, usually a full article or book. A brief summarization of a larger work to give a reader a comprehensive understanding. Summary writing is a great skill to have. And okay, how to write a summary. Scriber. Now, the first choice I could find, read the text and break it down into key sections. Into sections, key points. write the summary, and then check the summary against the article. You should simply provide an accurate account of the most important information without copying any text from the original. Oh, look at contents. Next. So I'll stop that share and then come back here, Zoom, and then share the next one. Now, for you guys, I put Adobe software on my computer. Now, every time I open the application, it asks me to join the cloud. I got so tired of the salesmanship that I stopped using Adobe. But I don't think I have to tell you why I stopped using Adobe. It was my choice. Can you see my pointer? 14 pages. I am sure that in our last class, I told you to make the articles smaller. I didn't use the sophisticated advanced English vocabulary. I didn't show you Webster or a Google search page. You can do that. Now, why did I do this? Well, you remember? Do you remember? I know it was 15 seconds ago. "14 pages. 14 pages. This is the Adobe file. Scientific reports, modeling type B ejecta formations, reveals reactor unit conditions during the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster.